Hello, English learners! Today, we're diving into a fascinating idiom that can significantly improve your communication. A stitch in time saves 9. Imagine Sarah, a new English speaker, heard her colleague say, "We need a stitch in time to save 9 on this project." Confused, Sarah pictured someone literally sewing 9 stitches, wondering if it was a strange office craft project. She even asked, "Should I bring my sewing kit tomorrow?" This led to an awkward silence, followed by laughter, as her colleague realized Sarah had taken the idiom far too literally. So, what does a stitch in time saves 9 truly mean? It signifies that taking immediate action to fix a small problem will prevent it from becoming a much larger, more difficult, and costly issue later on. The origin of this idiom comes from tailoring. If you mend a small tear in clothing with one stitch promptly, you prevent it from unraveling further, which would then require many more stitches, perhaps 9, to repair. Consider Mark, who noticed a small leak under his kitchen sink. Instead of ignoring it, he immediately called a plumber. The quick repair cost him very little. If Mark had waited, the leak could have caused extensive water damage, requiring expensive renovations. His prompt action truly saved him from a much bigger problem. Here are some example sentences to help you understand its usage. First, don't put off repairing that loose roof tile. A stitch in time saves 9. This means fixing the tile now prevents a bigger leak later. Second, studying a little each day for the exam is a stitch in time saves 9. Consistent effort avoids last-minute cramming and stress. To remember this idiom, visualize a tailor quickly mending a small tear with just one stitch, preventing it from becoming a huge rip that would need many more stitches. Historically, this proverb dates back to the 17th century, reflecting the practical wisdom of the time. It emphasizes foresight and preventative action, a value still relevant today. It's a common saying in English-speaking cultures, often used in business, personal finance, and health contexts to encourage proactive problem-solving. Similar idioms include "an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure," "nip it in the bud," and "better safe than sorry." Opposite idioms convey delaying action, such as "cross that bridge when you come to it," "let sleeping dogs lie," and "don't fix what isn't broken." Related idioms, focusing on efficiency and timing, include "strike while the iron is hot," "make hay while the sun shines," and "timing is everything." A common mistake is using "save 9 stitches" instead of "saves 9." Remember, the idiom is a fixed phrase. Also, avoid using it for problems that are already large and complex. It applies to small, emerging issues. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Which situation best illustrates "a stitch in time saves 9"? Choice A, waiting until your car breaks down completely before taking it to the mechanic. Choice B, fixing a small crack in your phone screen immediately to prevent it from spreading. Choice C, buying a new outfit for a party at the last minute. The correct answer is B. In summary, "a stitch in time saves 9" teaches us the value of addressing small issues promptly to avoid larger consequences. Mastering idioms like this enriches your English and helps you understand native speakers more effectively. We encourage you to share your own experiences with this idiom in the comments below. How has a stitch in time saved you? If you enjoyed today's content, please like and follow for more English idiom lessons. See you next time.